How's it going? I just wanted to show you guys real quick how I ran the amp wiring for my 2011 Ford Mustang. People can get a little confused about this. A lot of people like to take this wheel off and run them through the inner fender well and cut a hole in the wiring harness. I'm not in, but you look right here above your AC lines. There will actually be a plug right here in the firewall, a little plastic plug. Just pull it out. And your amp wire will run right through there, no problem. I ran it through a little piece of conduit. It comes out right inside. I'll show you. You can see, this pops out right there. I have to take and cut out a little bit of carpet. It pops out right by this. Plenty of room, plenty big enough hole for however big of a wire you need to run. I'm only running an 8 gauge. It's just for a little active slope woofer. It ran it down through here. My wire was small enough that I was able to just slide it under the panels. If you have anything over what I have, you're probably gonna have to pull these off. But they just pull off. Well, mine's just tucked under here. You'll have to take out the back seat. This is not nearly as complicated as it sounds on this car. You look right here. See that little piece of plastic? All you do is push it in and lift. Here it is. You can see it. So you just push it in and lift. Really simple. Here on the other side. The seat comes right out. Pull it out. There you go. And then have right here by the floor, I'll have to pop out a little push pin. Pull this. You can pull this panel in here. Get your wire underneath here, like mine is. Let's just run up behind there. Pops right out. Now, another confusing spot is getting your remote wire, because you don't want to take the stereo out in this. It's a Shaker 500 in this particular car. If you look right up here, this is on the right side coming in. After you take out your little carpet panel, there is your antenna, which is a power antenna, and the blue wire on this is a 12 volt switched. So just tap right into here for your remote wire. Actually, you need to remove this bolt to take off the carpet panel. That one. But and this is a great ground as well. It's run right into the body. So here's your ground. Remote wire. Got your power coming in. Pretty simple. I ran high level inputs. You can see to tap into your speaker wires for that. Yeah, there you go. I just ran into this little Rockville powered sub. Actually, I'll do a review on that because it's pretty cool for $100. But there you go. It's actually pretty simple to get this thing wired up. So have fun.